Okay, so it says solve the following systems of inequalities. I have a graph. I have two equations or inequalities. So I'm going to start by doing my xy intercepts for this one. So minus 5x. If I plug 0 in for y, this is going to be 0. So minus 5x is less than or equal to 45. Divide by a negative 5, which is our golden rule. So x is greater than or equal to negative 9. Then I'm going to do the other one, where it's going to be 3y is less than or equal to 45. Remember, if I plug in 0 for x, negative 5 times 0 is 0. So I'm left with just 3y is less than or equal to 45. Divide by 3. So y is less than or equal to 15. So for my first equation, I'm going to have negative 9 for x and positive 15 for y. This does have an equal to sign, so it's going to be a solid line. And if we look at the shade, I guess I'll just shade this yellow. X is greater than negative 9, so it'll be shaded this way. Y is less than negative 15, so it'll be shaded this way. So for shading, the first equation would look something like this. The next equation, I'm going to plug in, so 2x, if I plug in 0 for y, it's just 2x is greater than 24. So divide by 2, and x is greater than 12. Plug it in for y, so 3y is greater than 24. Remember, if I plug in 0 for x, I'm left with just 3y is greater than 24. Divide by 3, and y is greater than 8. So if I plug those points in, x is 12 and y 8. But this one does not have an equal to sign, which means it's going to be a dotted line. And then for shading, it says x is greater than, so I will be shading to the right. Y is greater than, I'll be shading above. Those match as they should. So that would be the shaded region. So the area where they are both shaded, that is the solution to both.